Former Deputy Chief Minister Dayanand Narvekar met Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar at the Legislative Assembly complex and demanded recovery of illegal mining loot exposed by the Shah Commission report. Speaking to the media, Narvekar said he has presented to the Chief Minister a memorandum listing this and several other demands for his newly formed political outfit, Goa Democratic Front. The former minister also made a strong case against the export of iron ore from mining dumps and suggested that these rejects be filled up again into mining pits for enrichment and posterity. Narvekar recently resigned from the Congress and has announced that his new political outfit will contest both the parliamentary seats in Goa.
My simple demand in my general body meeting which I had is 35,000 crore relief asset. BJP has said in their manifesto 25,000 crore loot scam has to be recovered. And Poklina and Digambara's photo. I am asking him, just recover 10% of them. Can you not do it? It is very easy. Just recover 10%, give it to these people. They will be very happy. My party will be happy. 10% only before election. Or you take loan. You are taking loan for so many events. Though the government doesn't depend on mining, neither any revenue has come. I am telling you very specifically. If somebody says because of mining revenue is affected, it is wrong. Because the statistic is other way. Take loan. 5,000 koti didenga. Odle kai na, you have been taking loan. So I am telling you, recover, call the mine owner, call those fellows whose names are in Shah Commission. I have the last report, where the names are there. It is with the government of India. It is not presented. But since I was the party, I have a report where the names are there.
Whose names are?
Why should I tell you?
Okay. Sir.
Why should I open all my cards? Who am I? I am one Dayanand Narvekar. We are just from a party. When the time comes, I will give all the names. Why you worry? Why to you, people of Goa?
So
very big.
Before election.
I am telling you, before election, government should take 10% of the loot which they claim, not me. मायनिंग चल्ला पळय खंयसून येता हे सायडीसून बाज लागता तेवटेन व्हडल्यो इंटरनॅशनल बोटी लागता हो काडटा ट्रान्सशिपर म्हणटा तेका हांगासून काडटा तेवटेन घालता ती भायर गेली कोणाक खबर आहा कितली गेली हे गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट ना तेजो दीस इज वॉट रघुवंशी हॅज सेड बिफोर एस्टिमेट कमिटी ऑन अ कॅमेरा दॅट्स वाय आय एम टेलिंग यू गो अँड सी द एस्टिमेट कमिटी रिपोर्ट ऑफ this one assembly adopted by the House 2009-10. Everything is open. Everybody knows who has done what. There is nothing in hiding. The name Shah has already given. Going as a finance minister, you come to know this figure that Goa gets only 35 crores. What is the contribution of these people to the state of Goa?
Do you mean to say that the former chief minister is fully blamed with all this?
Why are you talking to former chief minister? You know the story. You recover money for us? धरती पुकार रही है मेरा कर्जा कभी चुकाएगी बेटी मैं बोलता है माँ देख मैं इनको इंसाफ दे दूंगा तुम्हारा जो निकाल गया है ना इधर वो फिर पीट्स में जाएगा mining dumps should not be exported. I am telling you, of 1,000 year, 500 year old mining dump should not be. It should be again filled up in the pits. अरे तिजेर अत्याचार जाला खड्डे खडल्यात क्रेटर जाल्यात ते काढात भांगारा ऑलरेडी नंदकुमार कामते गितारात कशे रिसायकल जाता भांगार ते पिट्सान परते गेले की विदिन सर्टन टाइम विदिन सर्टन इयर इट regrows. So put it in the pit. All your truck fellows will be very happy. They will have job for 10 years. Taking the dump and putting in the pit. And you will be very happy that there will be mining for another 100 years.